Here's how to delete a YouTube playlist on both the YouTube app as well as YouTube for desktop. So you can easily delete playlists. You can also private playlists so they can't be found publicly, and even if you share it with someone, they can't go to it. It's just your own private playlist. But depending on what you want, let's take a look at it. So we're on desktop and we need to get to our playlists. In the upper left, we've got this little menu icon, and we can tap on that or click, and then in the lower middle part here, we're going to find You, and we actually can see playlists right here. So when we click on that, it's going to go to all of our playlists. When you find the one that you want to delete, you can just go over the three dots right here, click on them, and go to delete, and that's going to delete that playlist. You can also go edit the playlist. Let's say you maybe want to keep the playlist, you just don't want people to find it or anyone to be able to get to it. When we edit the playlist, we have a privacy setting here, and we can click that to open up either public, unlisted, or private. Public means anyone can search for and view that playlist. Unlisted means anyone with that link can view the playlist. So it's not public, but if you give someone a link, they can go to that playlist. Private means only your account can view that playlist. So you can also private a video playlist or a YouTube playlist if you want to. Now on the iPhone and on Android, let's take a look at how to delete a playlist on YouTube on your phone. So we've got iPhone over here on the left, and we need to get to our playlists. So I'm going to tap on my profile picture in the lower right, and I'm going to see some different sections, including playlists. So when we tap on this playlist, I can see here that I've got that same one, My Faves, and I can tap on the three dots to the right of it, and I get the same two options. I can delete the playlist easily with this button right here. I can also go to Edit, and instead of here, I can pretty much change the same things. Change the visibility, public, unlisted, or private, and then I can save that with the button down here, and that will save it as, a private playlist if I want to. So I can delete or private the playlist. On Android, same spot, lower right-hand corner, we're going to tap on our profile picture, and then not in the upper right, we're going to go right to playlists, right here, right in the middle. So we tap on playlists, and we see them again, and we can tap on the three dots, and we've got the same two options. We can delete our playlist right here, or we can go edit and make that playlist visibility private so that nobody else can find it. So those are two options there to remove a playlist on YouTube or delete a playlist on the YouTube app as well as YouTube for desktop. If this video helps you out, leave a like, subscribe, it really helps me out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.